Hello, it's Emily. I am doing a report on SQL Server Reporting Services, and I had to manipulate the data on the Server Management and the MS Report Builder to get it to this point on online report. Cool. My data was about energy consumption over 40 years from 1983 to 2022, as you can see on my KPIs. And over 40 years, we use 5.33 million terawatt hours. In my data, I created a data source and a data set, and I created two paginated reports, and the references are later. Let's look at my static report of power use, power consumption. It contains a chart and a line graph. The chart I wasn't planning on. I didn't know how long it was going to be because you can't see it, and so it just kind of draws on until you can see the total of 5.33 million. I'm like, that's lovely. And then the line graph is really nice and light, easy to see, and tells you the general trend of as time goes on, we use lots of energy. And the power dynamic, this is a lot more fun because you can filter out the years. I have it defaulted 1983. And this is lots of fun because the power used in 1983, renewable resources. So you have non-renewable and renewable, and comparing them on the bars here, it's like we use a lot of non-renewable. And then you can have these drop downs of information of the energy sources. So for non-renewable, we use nuclear, gas, coal, and we can see visually see wow, we are very heavily relying on oil and coal and and then the renewables, which is traditional biomass, is the better on 1983, and then the wind, solar, biofuels, and other renewables are pretty still needed working. Hydropower is pretty good. So I'm going to change this to 2022. And before I hit enter, notice that my report here on the this bar chart or column chart is static. I find that the human, or for myself, I cannot the one column is kind of hard to relate. So if I had the other ones, I can see it better. So 1983 was here, and now we're looking at 2022. So if I can see, power used in 2022, woohoo, so fun. And in this, if I drop them down again, we use obviously more power, but yes, we use more power in coal and oil again. But look at these. The wind, solar, biofuels, and renewables actually made a bump. Woohoo! And the hydropower has increased to match the traditional biomass. So we are breaking ground, but I think we have a long ways to go. And we wonder why we have global warming, but that's okay. We'll get there. We have lots of room to improve. I got my data from Kaggle, and they are referenced on this page. Thank you. Have a good day.